Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang, your product expert, and today I'm going to tell you something about semi-automatic washing machines. Essentially, what you should know while picking your semi-automatic washing machine. Two-tub washing ensures effective cleaning of your fabrics. The twin tub is the more common variety of the semi-automatic washing machines where you'll find two tubs located next to each other, one used for washing and the other for spin drying. This requires you to move the clothes from one tub to the other during the washing procedure with an added advantage of washing and drying clothes in both tubs at the same time. Now, different models from different brands will have different spin speeds or RPM. Higher the spin speed, more water is squeezed out from clothes and lesser is the drying time, making drying of clothes quicker for you. All that motion releases moisture from the fabrics, which means faster speeds are useful to those with limited space in which to dry their clothes, helping you save abundant time, with lesser time now required to dry your clothes as compared to conventional washing. Scrub, rinse and more with the manual scrub in this semi-automatic washer. This scrub section brings you versatility and convenience to scrub stubborn stains out of shirt collars and sleeves and ensures a more cleaner wash of heavy stains from your clothes. This design is ergonomically better since you don't have to bend down to unload and load the machine. Aesthetics are another key feature for the machine. The dimensions of the washing machine are compact and it's neatly designed, thus making most of the space available inside your home. The machine also conveys more info such as time left till cycle completion and washing stage for your convenience. These semi-automatic washing machines come in various sizes. It's important for you to choose one which fits your specific requirements. An easy way to decide the capacity is going by a family size. For example, a family of 2 can go for a 6 kg to 8 kg washing machine. A family of 3 to 4 can use a 7 to 8.5 kg, and 8 kg plus capacity washing machines are ideal for larger families. Another deciding factor for buying a specific capacity of the washing machine is your frequency of usage. For example, for a family of 2 who washes clothes twice a week would need a higher capacity washing machine, since a higher capacity machine would be able to handle heavier loads better in a single wash. These washing machines have built-in wash programs to suit your day-to-day washing needs. For example, a light wash can be done through a delicate style, whereas you have the heavy cycle to deal with the stubborn stains. These machines are easy to operate, use and repair. With their simple and effective mechanism, these semi-automatic washing machines are easier to maintain and you end up saving on the maintenance and repair too. Semi-automatic washing machines have a number of other advantages to help you in your day-to-day laundering needs. For example, it lets you pause your cycle if you may choose to manually scrub some of the tough stains. They definitely consume lesser power than the other fully automatic versions, which means they're both power and price efficient. Semi-automatic washing machines come with wash and spin timers to help you decide how long to wash or dry your clothes for. You can either choose wash programs and let the machine decide, or you may choose to give your laundry an extra minute to be absolutely sure. Now you have the luxury to choose multiple easy payment options to suit your need. With Flipkart, you get multiple partner offers. You may also get effective EMI options, including no-cost EMI and an easy product exchange. With these washing machines, you get a comprehensive brand warranty of up to 2 years, which means that not only does it keep your clothes clean and fresh, it also keeps your mind at ease. So that's all you must know about semi-automatic washing machines before making the right choice for yourself and your family. Make most of the choice you have made by buying it without any second thoughts on Flipkart. Because here you get options of no-cost EMIs, quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me, and have a perfect buy.